Hey guys, it's Joe, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Flanger plugin. Flanger is a modulation effect that works in a similar way to chorus, but it uses a shorter delay time. It creates a copy of the signal you're applying it to, delays it, and then modulates the delay time using an LFO. Flanger is cool for adding spacey effects and can make things sound like they're underwater. We'll open it up by going into Modulation. It's nice and simple, we just have these 4 parameters right here. We have the rate, the intensity, the feedback, and the mix. The rate sets the speed of the LFO. This changes how fast or slow the sound is modulated. With the rate you also have the sync, as the sync synchronizes the modulation speed with the tempo of the track, or you can keep it free to go outside of note measures. The intensity sets the amount of modulation. The more you apply, the more flanger you get. The feedback is quite interesting. This sets the amount of signal that is being routed back into the flanger. This is good for changing the overall tone of the sound. If you set the amount of feedback to a negative value, then it inverts the phase of the routed signal. And lastly is the mix. As always, this is to blend the wet and the dry signal together. If it's set to 100%, it will be a fully modulated signal, and if it's on 0, then it will be as though it's off. Now let's have a look at it doing some work. I put it on this synth line here because, like with chorus, it can make sounds really thick, but if the settings are a little bit off, then it can sound really nasty because the notes will be clashing. Longer rates and high intensities work well, and vice versa, so let's take a look. Let's listen to the synth without the flanger, and then with. So the faster it becomes, the more dreadful it sounds. But by then reducing the mix and then the intensity as well, it can sound much better. If you're using a higher intensity and a higher rate, you definitely want to use a lower mix. Now let's listen to the feedback. You can hear as we get to the high 80s and 90s, it becomes very heavily modulated because the signal is being fed back into the flanger, so it repeats. And on 99% it sounds a bit crazy because it's swirling around. If you set the other parameters to be significantly less, this can still create some interesting and actually usable sounds. So we're just getting a little bit of that previous sound through. The Flanger is a really interesting plugin and can work nicely on a variety of sounds. Having it on guitars is quite common as it will thicken them up, when used subtly of course. And it can be cool to use them on synths here as you can make some really unique sounds. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment or contact me via my website. Thanks a lot for watching, cheers.